Hi there, welcome back to the 24th session Learn Excel with Karpagam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add date picker in Excel, that too within 30 seconds without writing a VBA code or without going to the developer tab. Let's get started. First of all, you are wondering what is a date picker. This is the date picker, and what is the main function it performs is, let me go to a particular cell. I want 12th of June. You can see I did not type, I picked a date from the date picker. Again, let me go back. I need a date from May 16. Again, I did not type it, I picked it. This is the primary function of a date picker, wherein it gives you lots of flexibility to pick a date. Not only that, lots of other flexibility. I will demonstrate. First, how did I add this date picker? What you have to do is go to insert from the ribbon, click on this. From insert, go to add-ins, the third box. From there, pick up this tool. When you click on this tool, it will connect you to app for office. Go to the search box and type date picker. And when you click OK, search, it gets you mini calendar and date picker. Click on it. When you click on it, as of now, the date picker is added here. Let me go here. Let me choose today's date. You can see today's date is added here. Again, let me go back and choose some other date, future date. Let me go back and let me click at the past date. You may be asking, is there a possibility that you can rewrite or overwrite on it? Very much you can do. On the same cell, I did not go to the next cell. I'm going and clicking on 13th of April. It's going to ask you overwrite contents. Click OK. Now you can see the date is changed here or updated. What are the other features of a date picker? Date picker has got 5 different features. I'm going to show you one after the other. By any chance, if you want to minimize the box, go and click on this. You can see it got minimized. Click on it, maximized. Toggle calendar size. The second button is change the theme color. As of now, we are in blue color. You have got 3 variants, blue, green and gray shade. When I click on the next one, you can see gray scale has come in. When I click on the next one, green scale has come in. And the next one is going to be a calendar system. Whether you want a Gregorian calendar or you want a ISO calendar system. And this one is going to be a little interesting. As of now, it is hidden. When I click on it, you can see the week is appearing here. And when I just pass through, you can see 18. The last week of April is 18. May, you can see it's getting updated here. Over a period of time till December, you will be able to see whichever the month you choose, which week you are in, you will be able to see. And not only that, this is where the area wherein the dates are highlighted. When you click on it and when you go back to the month of April, you will be able to see the date is highlighted here. And the last one is going to be hide the settings. When you click on it, it is gone. When you want to bring it back, just go and click on it here. And is there a possibility that you can do a current timestamp? Very much you can do this. Just go and click on this button. You can see the current time is entered here. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. See you soon.